What you're seeing right here is actually your refrigerator wrap. You can actually change the look of your refrigerator just by wrapping it. This is actually called a Gulf Oil gas pump #2 clean version. We got a couple of versions of this right here. And every order is custom sized to fit. We need the width and height of the door and also the thickness of it, but also if it's how deep it is, how high it is on the sides too. This is actually a single door. We have single stack doors, we have French doors, and also we have a side-by-side doors right there. And this is a full wrap. This is actually printed on gloss. Most of the time it's matte sheen. So when you want a gloss sheen, make sure in the notes, say, hey, I want gloss on this. This is actually printed on 3M air release vinyl. And we are based in Meridian, Idaho. So anytime we get an order, we usually print it out that morning, ship it out that day, if not the next day, depending on how busy we are. And this is it right here. So if you want something like this on your refrigerator, go to the armwraps.com website. And oh, note, we also give you a squeegee, extra vinyl, just to play around with it, just to understand how the vinyl is, and also a knife. So that's it right there. So check out more stuff on the armwraps.com website. Come back, check out more videos too.